Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture, and this is the Greenwich Collection. The complete Greenwich Collection features dining and occasional pieces. Carved from a carefully selected smoked oak and finished in a rich peppercorn shade, complemented by the silk brass, the Greenwich range is guaranteed to make a statement in your home. So starting off, we have this stunning dining table which is extendable and comes in two size options. The table extends with a built-in chain mechanism, and the extension leaf can be neatly hidden within the table. Again, carefully carved from a solid smoked oak featuring quite an unusual leg detail design, the dining table is just spectacular. You can also choose from a multitude of seating options. From a sturdy yet elegant bench which duplicates the design of the table, or make a statement with the silk brass handled cantilever chair featuring a bowl squared stitch pattern in black mottled fabric. The sideboard features a stunning and refined look, as well as plenty of storage, and with the additional features such as the Blum soft closing hidden drawers within the sideboard to elevate the overall refinement of this range, the Greenwich Collection offers an exclusive look and will add a touch of opulence and glamour to any dining room. In the living range, we'll find multiple pieces, and these include a lamp table, a coffee table, a sofa table, a nest of tables, and an open display unit. We have quite a simple design here, but all of the pieces feature the same characteristics. We have the handcrafted chevron detail as well as the satin brass leg. Each of the handcrafted pattern tops are wire brushed and distressed to give a rustic look and tactile feel, making the most of this beautiful and varied grain of oak. You can shop the complete Greenwich range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.